Hello my dear kids, how are you? Okay, so today we are going to see the lesson number 4, the thorn in the thumb. Okay, for that I want you to open your phonics reader textbook page number 20. Come on, open it. And along with that, you have to be ready with the capital cursive workbook and your notebook. Come on. Okay, put today's date 29/29 October. Okay, so shall we start with the lesson reading? Okay, this is lesson number 4. Lesson name is the thorn in the thumb. What do you mean by thorn? Have you seen the rose plant? Okay, so also this rose plant bears this so many thorns. Okay, thorns matlab kaate, gulab ke kaate. Okay, got it everyone? Okay, now first of all we'll see the th words. Okay, th, the sound of th is th. Sound of th is th. Got it everyone? Okay, now these new words you are going to write in your notebook 3 times. Okay, first word thorn, thin. thorn, thin. thorn, thorn. thorn, on, thorn. thumb, thumb. thumb. thank, thank. tree. with, with. Now if you observe that here in the first line th words, th letters are beginning in the words, but here th letters are at the end of the words, right? with, moth. Moth is also one type of insect like a butterfly. Okay, got it everyone? teeth, teeth. Okay, one tooth, many teeth. Got it everyone? Now see. Now this story is belong to this Tim. This boy is named Tim and this pet cat name is Meg. Okay, let's see the lesson now. Tim is a thin boy. Okay, Tim is a thin boy. He has a thorn in his thumb. Okay, instead of taking Tim's name again and again, they have used he. Okay, he has a thorn. If you see something is there in the Tim's thumb, this is called thorn. Okay, he has a thorn in his thumb. Meg, the pet cat, got the thorn out with her teeth. Who helped to Tim? Meg, the pet cat, got the thorn out with her teeth. Okay, thank you Meg. Tim said thank you to the Meg. Okay, see, sometimes if anyone help us, so in return we are saying them thank you. Hannah, thank you is a magic word, right? So thank you Meg. Tim said thank you to Meg. Okay, Tim and Meg then run to get a big red moth. Moth is a one kind of insect like a butterfly. What is the color of the moth? It is a red color of the moth on the red bird. Okay, the 3 of them had fun. Who are the 3? Tim, Meg and the red moth. They 3 had fun. The 3 of them had fun. Got it everyone? Okay, now let's see the question answer. See, if you see 3 questions are there and you are going to prepare with the question number 1 and question number 2. Okay, for that I want you to open your notebook. Come on. Okay, so open your notebook. Write the lesson name. What is the name of the lesson? Lesson number 4, the thorn in the thumb. Come on, write. Date. Everyone put the date. 29th of October. Answer the followings. Come on, write. Start writing fast. Done. Now first question. What did, come on, write. What did Tim have in his thumb? What did Tim have in his thumb? Okay, who will tell me? What did he have? What did he have? What did Tim have in his thumb? Yes, thorn. What he had? Thorn. So let's see how to write this answer. Okay, first of all you have to write team. So this is our capital cursive T. Team, T-I-M, team. Now see, did. Put a box to the did. Okay, and put a box to the have. Okay, so in the question, if the did is there, then while we are writing the answer, we are not writing did. Okay, we are removing the did from the answer, and did plus have is had. You can write, sorry, did plus have is equal to had. Okay, so while you are writing the answer, you are not using HAV, you are not writing HAV have. You should write HAD had. Got it, everyone? So see, team had. Instead of writing have, we remove the did from the question and we add did into have. So we will get HAD had. Got it, everyone? Yes. Team had thorn, Thorn, thorn in his thumb. Come on, write the answer. Team had thorn in his thumb. Completed, everyone? Come on, write it fast. Put a star mark over here. Huh? It will be very much useful. Okay, put a star mark over here. Okay, now next question. Who got, G-O-T, got the thorn out? Who got the thorn out? Who will tell me? Who got the thorn out? Yes, very good. Make is okay. We have written the answer in place of the who, and the rest of the sentence we are going to write as it is. Okay, only in the place of the who we have written the answer. See, make the pet cat got the thorn out. Is it simple? Is it simple? Yes. Make the pet cat. We removed who हम लोगों ने निकाल दिया क्वेश्चन में से, and instead of writing who we have written the answer. Make the pet cat got the thorn out. Got the answer? Okay, now your homework will be, you have to write question one time, answer two time. Make sure while you are writing question also, you should able to read the question as well as answer. Got it, everyone? And the new words three times. Got it? Now I want you to open your capital cursive workbook. Come on, open. Okay, students, so we have completed the letter P. Okay, so let's see the letter capital cursive Q. Okay, first of all put today's date. What is today's date? First of all write today's date, 29th of October. So let's see the how to write the capital cursive Q. It is the same as we have written, as we have write capital Q. The same way we have to write the capital cursive Q. Okay, so first three lines we are going to use. We are going to make a oval like this and this curve. Alright, everyone? Q says quirk, quell. So let's trace with me. Come on, start tracing with me. First three lines. Make sure while you are writing, while you are tracing, you are using proper lines of that letter. Okay, then only your handwriting will be look very nice. Okay, so come on, start trace with me. First three lines. Make oval and this curve. First three lines. Make oval and this curve. Now let's write this Q in a blank line. Okay. Okay, now let's see how to write in a first three lines. It is very simple. You can also, you don't have to see also. You can yourself, you can do this. You can write this Q. Okay. See, simple, no? Capital cursive Q. Yes. Capital cursive Q. Use first three lines. Follow the alignment. Each and every letter should be in a line. Got it, everyone? So now next letter, letter R. Letter R. R says rose. See how to start? It is like a letter P. Okay. Start from here, from the red line. Go up like this. Start from the red line. Go up, and as we have write capital R, the same way we have to write. R says rose. Let's trace. Come on, trace with me. Little bit slanting line. Go up, and this capital R. Little bit slanting line. Go up. R. R says rose. R says ro. Yes. Okay. Now let's see how to write in a blank line. Okay. See, from red line, and you have to write exactly below the above letter. Okay. Start from here. Little bit slanting line. Okay. Go up, and like this. Got it? Little bit slanting line. Go up like this. Little bit slanting line. Go up like this. Got it, everyone? Got the letter R? Now turn the page. Letter S. Letter S. See, look at properly, huh? From here we are going to draw this slanting line from the blue line to the red line. Okay, like this. This is our letter S. S is sun. Let's trace together. Come on. Slanting line and letter S. Slanting line, letter S. Slanting line, S. Slanting line, S. Be careful while you are tracing this and while you are writing this S. Now see how to write in a blank line. Okay, slanting line and letter S. Slanting line, letter S. You are writing, no? You are writing with me, no? Yes. Slanting line, letter S. Read everyone? And the last letter, today's last letter, letter T. Letter T. See how to write letter T? A little bit curve, slanting line, a slight curve. Okay, T says tiger. Okay, let's trace together. Come on. Curve, slanting line, slight curve. Curve, slanting line, slight curve. Curve, slanting line, slight curve. Okay, now let's see the blank line. Okay, see, a little bit curve, slanting line, a slight curve. Okay, a little bit curve, slanting line, slight curve. A little bit curve, slanting line, slight curve. Got it, everyone? Okay, so now your homework will be, you have to complete the page number 57. Okay, from the letter Q to letter T. From the letter Q to letter T. Okay, and again I am telling you that this homework you have to show me. You have to, or you can send it me till on Tuesday. Till on Tuesday you can send me this homework by 3rd of November. So don't get panic that so many pages are there, I'm not able to do that. Don't. Every day you can do one pages. Take your own time and write in and complete your homework in neat and clean handwriting. Got it, everyone? Take care.